Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our mathematics activities. Activity 1. The topic of the activity is the sieve of Eratosthenes. Yes, the pronunciation is sieve of Eratosthenes. Objective of the activity is to find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Pre-acquired knowledge, concept of prime numbers and the concept of multiples of a number. Material required for the activity: a colorful chart paper, different colored pens, a cardboard, a ruler, pencil, an eraser, a pair of scissors and Fevistick. Preparation for the activity: take the colorful chart paper and draw a suitable square, say 15 by 15 on it. In this square, draw a 10 by 10 grid and write the numbers from 1 to 100 on it. Cut out the grid now. Prime number: a number that can be divided exactly only by itself and the number 1. For example, 7, 17 and 41, etc. Number having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, known by prime number. Continue with our demonstration part of activity 1, that is to find the prime numbers from 1 to 100 by the method of sieve of Eratosthenes. He was the Greek mathematician. He was given the sieve of Eratosthenes to find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. We will continue with the demonstration part of the activity. I have made here two grids of 10 by 10. Yes, in one I have written the numbers 1 to 100 and in another one we will be writing the leftover prime numbers only. Yes? Children, the following steps to be followed to find the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Yes? Let's start by crossing the number 1. Do you know why we have crossed the number 1? Yes, because it is not the prime number. Prime numbers are those numbers which are having only two factors, 1 and the number itself. But 1 is the number that will neither the prime number and nor the composite number, because it's not having the two factors. Yes? Now it's the turn of number 2. Yes, I am circling the number 2. Do you know why I have circled the number 2? Because this is the prime number. This is having only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Or you can say it is greater than 1 and it is divisible by itself only. Or the main fact, 2 is the only even prime number. Even prime number. Now come on the multiples of 2. We will be crossing all the multiples of 2. Do you know why? Because those will not be the prime numbers, because they will be having 2 as the factor. Yes? Yes, let us cross all the multiples of 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100. Yes, I have crossed all the multiples of 2. Yes, we can observe circle the number 3 because this is also a prime number. It also will be having only 1 and the 3 as the factor only. It is greater than 1 and will be divisible by 3 only. Yes, that's why we have circled it. Now, we will be crossing all the multiples of 3 also because they also will be having 3 as the factor. Yes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96 and 99. Turn of number 4. We have already crossed the number 4. Why we have crossed? Because it is the multiple of 2 and 4 is having 2 as the factor. That's why we have crossed it already. Yes, now it's the turn of number 5 and I am circling the number 5 because this is the prime number. It is greater than 1 and will be divisible by itself only. And we can say this will be having only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. That's why we have circled it. It is a prime number. Now we will be crossing all the multiples of 5. Yes, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Yes, we have crossed all the multiples of 5 and we have observed there the numbers ending in 0 and 5 are the multiples of 5. Now it's the turn of number 6. We have already crossed it because it is having more than 2 factors. 2 is also the factor of number 6 and 3 is also the factor of number 6. That's why we have already crossed it. It is the multiple of 2 and 3 both the numbers. Now it's the turn of number 7. I am circling it because it is a prime number. This is having only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Again, the multiples of 7 we will cross in. Yes? Now, multiple of 7 will be 14, 21, 35, 28, 49, 77 also will be the multiple of this and 91 also will be the multiple of 7. That's why we have crossed all the multiple of 7. Now it's the turn of number 8. 8 we have already crossed it because it is having more than 2 factors. Same with the number 9 because this is also having more than 2 factors. This is the multiple of 3. Now same in case of 10, it is also having the more than 2 factors and the numbers which will be having more than 2 factors, we will be crossing them because they are not the prime numbers. Yes children, now the leftover numbers are our prime numbers from 1 to 100. Now whatever we wanted, the sieve of Eratosthenes is ready for finding the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Yes, now we will be writing all those prime numbers in the second one grid we have made. Yes, the leftover numbers 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are the numbers which are prime numbers, and we have find out by the method of sieve of error toss Thames. Yes? Now this is the result of our activity. We have made the final grade of prime numbers between 1 to 100. Yes? Now you will be doing like this it on colorful chart paper, and you will be making with the colorful pens all the numbers you will be cutting by the beautiful colorful pens, and you will be making two sieves. Yes, one is above, in that you will be cutting, you will be crossing all the numbers, and the other one is the final grid where you will be writing the numbers left over prime numbers only. Yes, thank you.